change each fraction greater than 1 to a mixed number, and change each mixed number to a fraction greater than 1. So we're being asked to change the look of each fraction, and specifically if you're given a mixed number to a fraction greater than 1 and vice versa. So in this problem, I'm looking at, there's a repetition. So I'm going to do letter C and letter D, and you guys can try A and B on your own because they're similar. Now let's start with letter C. So we're given the mixed number 4 and 13 over 15, or 13/15. The meaning, however, is equal to 4 plus 13 over 15. So that adding, we're saying and, 4 and 13/15. Now what we want to do is, when we're adding, we want to change the 4, so the 4 into 4 over 1, or to a fraction, but at the same time now we need to compare the denominators. So what we want to do is have common denominators when we're adding fractions. So we're going to multiply by 15 to get a 15 as a common denominator, but we multiply by 15 on the top. So technically we're multiplying by the giant 1, and then that changes the look. So the top number is 4 times 15. So what is that? Multiply, so pause the video, plus 13 over 15, right? So whatever that number you got, and then your final answer, so that changes to one fraction with the 15, and you add those two numbers together, and that goes in the numerator. So what we did is we went from mixed number to a fraction bigger than 1. We often call these improper fractions. Now let's look at the reverse. So letter D. Letter D, we're given 68 over 3. So it's already one fraction greater than 1. And the actual meaning of that is 68 divided by 3. So technically we're doing a long division, or we're saying how many 3's can go into 68. So when we do that long division, we want to stop with the whole number. So 68, the whole number will be 68, and then we have a 0.0, except we don't need that 0 right now. We just want to make sure where it ends, divided by 3. So 3 goes into 6 exactly 2 times. 2 times 3 is 6, remainder 0. Bring down the next one. So you don't stop until you use all the whole number, which is 68 in this case. You bring down the 8 and you start all over. So 3 goes into 8 how many times? Only 2 times. 2 times 3 is 6, remainder 2. So right now what we need to change that into, we have 22 whole numbers, and we have 2/3 as a remainder. Now I'm saying and, but it's really the plus, and that becomes 22 and 2/3. So that's the way, or one way to change them into a mixed number when you have a fraction bigger than 1. So try A and B on your own.